Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you're new here, you're welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a DIY I made for my daughter's hair, even though I used it on my hair too, but I used it in a different way. I used it in my hair as a leave-in conditioner, but for her I use it as a conditioner to deep condition her hair. So if you are interested in this remedy, please stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Why this DIY? The first thing you have to do is to shampoo your hair before you apply it. As I did, I shampoo my daughter's hair at first, and then now I apply the DIY into her hair. I try to detangle the hair because this actually works well for her. It helps to reduce tangles. So after detangling her hair, I just cover it with a plastic bag and left it for 45 minutes. Now it's exactly 45 minutes. I'm taking out the plastic bag and look at how her hair looks. Her hair feels so soft, nice, and well conditioned. I already detangled her hair before, as I earlier said. Now I'm just detangling again the second time. This DIY is made up of three ingredients, that is cloves, hibiscus flower and aloe vera. Why we'll be proceeding with the procedure, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of these three ingredients and why I decided to put them together. I'm done rinsing off the conditioner from her hair. Now I'll just put her hair in a protective style. I've got some homemade rosemary oil in this bottle, which I'm going to be applying to her hair. After that, I'll just apply leave-in conditioner. Then I'll add shea butter mix or shea butter to her hair, and then I'll put her hair in a protective style. I'm combing her hair again because I just applied the leave-in conditioner to her hair, and that is the instruction of the leave-in conditioner. After applying it, you have to comb the hair. Cloves are very beneficial to our hair. It helps to reduce hair fall. It contains anti-inflammatory properties and it prevents scalp dryness and itchiness. It increases blood circulation to the scalp. It treats dandruff. Hibiscus flower stops hair loss. It makes hair look healthy. It prevents premature growing. It thickens the hair and adds volume. It treats dandruff, conditions the hair, prevents split end, and also prevents dryness and breakage. As for aloe vera has a lot of health benefits, and it also helps to strengthen our hair growth, and prevent itchy scalp. Look critically, you will see that these three ingredients have something in common. That is treating dandruff, preventing itchy scalp and dryness, and it also helps to reduce hair fall. After applying this remedy on her hair, I waited for 2 weeks to see the reaction. What I noticed is she has not put her hands on her hair to scratch it, and then secondly, I saw that her scalp is really clean after 2 weeks. And the third thing I noticed is it really conditions her hair, and it helps to prevent scalp dryness. So if you have any problem with scalp dryness, please, I will recommend you use this remedy. Another thing I noticed after 2 weeks is that it changes her hair color. It changes the color of her hair. And to make this remedy, you just need I'm just using 4 tablespoons of cloves because I'm doing a good quantity of it for my hair and my 2 daughters. So I'm going to be leaving some in the fridge that I will be using as a leave-in conditioner or as a leave-in. So if you don't want too much, just make the quantity that will be enough for you. After adding the cloves, I just went in with my hibiscus flower, and now I'm adding aloe vera. And to apply this to your hair, make sure you wear a dark t-shirt or a red t-shirt, any t-shirt you know is not going to stain, because it can really stain. And also, if you want to apply it, it's better you do it in your shower or in your douche, not in the sink, because it's going to mess the whole environment. After that, then you will have time to be cleaning. After applying all the ingredients together, I just went in with my hot boiling water, and I'll just stir it a little bit, then cover it and leave it to sit for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you wait until it totally cools down, then you can apply it to your hair. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you, God bless you, and I would love to see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.